Hey y'all, what's up? We're back for season 1, episode 11. We're gonna do a drag race. This video between the 350 and the Evercross. Hold on, car.
Oh yeah, that was the name of my dirt bike, the Evercross. I wanted to say the Evercross.
Ready?
I can't believe I do.
Ready? We're gonna go to the end of Rolling Diamond. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so I ended up winning.
Is this?
You got Chase.
Is this dirt bike faster than this?
Oh my goodness. He just did a wheel walk. So I ended up winning by a British person's teeth gap with this 350 against the Amazon Evercross. I think it was because of the seat, because the seat is so uncomfortable, right, Landon?
Yeah.
Like, the seat is like a square, like, it has no cushion.
Guys, I might show you a quick wheelie here in a second. Guys, let me show you a wheelie. That's a fake wheelie, bro. That's a fake wheelie.
What are you saying, Chase?
That's a fake wheelie. That's the fake one. Your feet are down. This is a real one.
Oh, yeah! Oh, my goodness. Bro, you gotta stop trying to run into my camera.
Sorry.
Chase, go back.
Sorry, everybody.
Move on, send it to the wheel.
What do you think you're doing, Noodle?
There's no... See, that's what you get.
On top.
You almost crashed.
Sorry everybody for doing that. I'm probably gonna fix that in a second, so just watch.
So, oh my goodness. You almost crashed.
Oh my god. I want this one to do waves.
The camera's on it.
I want to do waves.
Danny, move. I'm doing a wheelie.
Move!
Chase, move. There we go.
Sorry everybody again. Can I waste that with my dirt bike?
Yeah, hold on.
Mine's gonna pop. Put your feet down.
Broke back. Alright, y'all. That's it for the video. We'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.